Democrats, Republicans, and reproductive rights groups are all seizing on an Alabama Supreme Court ruling that plunged future access to in vitro fertilization into uncertainty. Two back-to-back bills filed by state lawmakers are hoping to clear it all up for the benefit of patients and providers. WAFF 48 Savannah Sapp joins me now in studio. Savannah, you spoke to those lawmakers today about what they hope their bills can accomplish.
Right, Margot. In my hands is the House bill drafted by House Minority Leader Anthony Daniels. Another bill with similar language is now in the Senate, and both want to make it clear that a life can only start with an implanted embryo.
I was certainly in shock and could not believe that the Supreme Court determined that a fertilized embryo outside of the womb was a child.
House Minority Leader Anthony Daniels echoing the reaction to Alabama Supreme Court decision, which ruled human embryos used in IVF treatments as unborn children. He, along with other lawmakers, have drafted a bill which he hopes will clarify existing law to protect patients.
We used language that was pulled directly from the court case. What we're saying is that until a fertilized embryo is inside the uterus, it's not a child.
In fear of legal repercussions, a few IVF clinics across the state have suspended IVF treatments. Daniels says his bill will eliminate the possibility of criminal charges in the event embryos are damaged or lost.
If the embryo is in a lab and something happens, or there's damage at an IVF clinic, you still have the civil side of it, but the criminal side is not taken into consideration.
Republican Senator Tim Melson has drafted his own Senate bill to help clear up concerns over the Supreme Court ruling. It states that a human egg fertilized in vitro shall be considered potential life, not human. His goal, to protect those providing and seeking IVF treatment.
This isn't by any means a pro-abortion bill or pro-life bill. It's about a family bill and making sure that people can grow their family.
Well, Representative Daniels says the bill will now go before a committee to decide whether it will be advanced to the House floor. Senator Melson's bill will follow. Margot.
All right, thank you, Savannah. As you